Today in this video, we'll be talking about how to figure out who owns a Gmail address. Gmail is known for keeping users' information private, so this can be a bit of challenge. But don't worry, there are a few methods you can try. The first and simplest option is to search for email address on Google. Just type it into the search bar and see what comes up. You might be able to find the person's name, social media accounts, or even their job details. It's a quick and easy way to gather some basic information. Sometimes the email address itself offers clue. If it's something like email address removed, there's a good chance the address includes the person's name. But don't rely on that alone. It's not always accurate. There are also a number of tools available, both free and paid, to help you find information. Tools like IP Quality Score, Spokeo, and InfoTracker can be useful for tracking down details on the email's owner. One thing to keep in mind is privacy. While these tools are handy for things like verifying identities or customizing communications, always consider the ethical side of using someone's personal information. In the end, there's no surefire way to find out who owns every Gmail address, but using a combination of these methods can increase your chances of finding what you are looking for. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.